Oh my God, it's poke bowl night. I love poke bowls, but I've decided to make my own version of poke bowls. So I'm not showing you the cooking process, but I am showing you how you can make it a healthier version. So instead of making the sushi sticky rice, I made sticky cauliflower rice. So I buy the cauliflower frozen. It's already riced. You can rice your own. This is easier for me. I used lemon juice instead of apple cider vinegar, and I used half of the amount of sugar that they say. They say 4 tablespoons, I used 2. This is my version of sticky rice. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It tastes absolutely delicious. I have wild caught salmon that I got fresh from the fish market. I've got cut mango, scallions, cut asparagus raw, so good for you. Greens, and my greens consist of romaine, spinach, and cilantro. So good for the liver and so tasty and yummy in your poke bowl. My husband is licking his lips. I've got avocado. You can't go wrong with that. I've got cut cucumber. But the best part, there's a couple best parts, but I just made this most incredible ginger dressing, but with little to no oil. I used carrots, I used celery, so I used 2 carrots, 2 celeries, I used 2 cloves of garlic, I used maple syrup, almost 1/4 cup, I used, what was in here, a lemon, I used some soy sauce, and I used like ginger, because you need carrot ginger dressing, so a piece of ginger dressing. I put it all in my Ninja. I used the Ninja until eventually I'm gonna get the amazing Vitamix. And then I put less than a teaspoon of sesame oil just to top it off. And I blended it, and oh my God, does that taste good? And I'm telling you, there's nothing like poke night at home. It tastes so much better than going out. In fact, we just had a little bit of a happy hour because it's Friday, so we decided to have a little bit of a happy hour out. But I didn't want to eat out because I know that when I eat at home, I'm eating the freshest, the most amazing ingredients. And you can too. And yes, it takes a little bit of effort, but I'm telling you, if you can make fun out of cooking and enjoying the wonderful food that you get to eat after, you will enjoy the process and your body will thank you. So have a wonderful weekend and enjoy this video.